Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Aspire credit card. The Aspire credit card is made for people with poor or fair credit who need to rebuild their score without putting down a security deposit. It offers 1% cashback on every purchases and even up to 3% on things like gas, groceries, and utility bills, which is rare for a credit building card. You can pre-qualify without hurting your credit, and it reports to all three major credit bureaus, which helps your score if you pay on time. However, the fees are very high. The annual fee can be up to $175 the first year. Plus, there's a monthly maintenance fee after that. The interest rate is also very steep, often over 30%, so it's important to pay off the full balance each month. Some users have reported poor customer service, surprise charges, and problems with payments or accounts being closed unexpectedly. There's no welcome bonus or clear upgrade path once your credit improves. While the Aspire card does offer real rewards can help build credit, the high fees and frequent complaints make it a risky option for many. It's best for people who can manage it carefully. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.